Let's make a customizable folding fan. I purchased a pack of flying discs or foldable Frisbees off of Amazon. Begin by printing your image just slightly larger than your flying disc. Don't forget to mirror. Be sure to use a few pieces of tape to secure your image to your disc. You don't want it shifting on you while it's under the heat press. Once you've secured it, let's go to the press. Press using medium to high pressure at 400 degrees for 60 seconds. Don't forget to use blowout paper on the bottom and the top. Once your pressing is complete, carefully remove it from under your heat press. Remember that the ring is made of metal and it will be hot. Once the pressing is complete, I like to manipulate and fold and bend it back into shape. Sometimes the heat from the heat press can melt the polyester just a little bit, causing the fan to warp. So don't be shy with it. Go ahead and bend and manipulate it. There you have it, a custom folding fan. Now, wasn't that simple? Seriously simple.